Hey guys, Luke Bryson here with a follow-up on the air conditioner that I did earlier this year. I converted it from an auxiliary air conditioner assister thingy into one of these. And I tidied it up a bit for one. It actually looks decent now. What I did is I made it into a heater. So I have the coil, and if you can see behind it, back in there, I got the original coil pack for the air conditioner. So this one right here runs hot water through it. And I got a temperature gauge somewhere. Well, I got this little thing I can shoot on there and tell you. I'll look for that later. Okay. Let's go outside and look at the boiler. My ever so messy place. Now here's the boiler. It was looking better, but I just jack-rigged it so it would fit over top of the thing. Okay. So here we go. Here's the boiler. Can't see the steam coming off of it, but water's warm. So I got a pump down inside that. And it's insulated. And it brings up in the black tube is the hot water, and then the red tube, that's the return. It's all insulated to keep it from freezing and whatnot. Air conditioner on the outside, shed. So put this back on there, that side down, so that way it doesn't grow too much mold, too fast anyways. Throw that on there for support, or maybe, I don't know. Screw it. Throw that on there for right now. Okay. So there's that. Temperature gauge. So on the outside reading, I got, what's that? 52.7. Now, let's go read the inside. It's going to be pretty cool, actually, I think so. Back into the messy ass shed. Okay, so up there, we got 70.8. Let's take a coil reading. Up there so I can get it right. So we got 86 degrees on the coils over there. So it's basically a heat pump. Now I'm planning on making this a wood fire later. So that way I can kind of do it more naturally, less power. That was the original plan. Just do this quickly with a grill coil, but looks a lot better. Throws off some heat. It'll warm the shed. Looks all jack-rigged. But plenty of duct tape. Yep. So yeah. Talk to y'all later, I guess. Okay. Bye.